Hi friends, today we're going to get straight to work on part 2 of the front garden renovation. About 2 weeks ago, we removed all of the overgrown shrubs from my front yard. We painted the steps, the door, we planted 10 incredible hydrangeas, and we really just cleaned up that area. And today we're going to really put the finishing touches on the front garden in terms of plants. So what do you say we just get to work? Let's try to finish this garden renovation over the course of this weekend. I'm also going to bring in a bit of solar lighting to make the house look even more inviting in the evening. And then at the end of the video, I'll give you a morning and evening tour and let me know how you think it turned out. But for now, let's get to work. Well, the front garden is officially complete. And my goal for this garden was really to make it beautiful year-round, but also to make it as low maintenance as possible. And I think keeping the plant palette to a minimum was really the best way to accomplish that low maintenance goal. In about 3 years, I anticipate these hydrangeas being a beautiful hedge. They'll kind of all look just like one ginormous drift of hydrangeas. I'll maintain the boxwoods slightly higher and slightly wider in the years to come, but that's really it up here. And I was debating whether or not to go with instant hedging here in the front. I contemplated using small plants and growing them on over the course of multiple seasons. But once again, because my goal was kind of instant low maintenance, I really wanted an instant hedge up here. And I had first heard of instant hedge when I was watching season 1 of Growing Floret, which is a great show. If you haven't watched that, I'm sure you'll enjoy it. But I'm really thankful. I think it was Becky Crawley that mentioned this company. And I just love it. I was able to install these over the course of a weekend. It was very easy, much easier than the arborvitaes because they're pretty light. And also, I think you just can't beat having them delivered to your door, especially at this point in life when I want this many plants. It's just so nice to have them delivered. Well friends, thanks so much for joining me for part 2 of the front yard renovation. We still have one more step that doesn't involve plants, so I'll see you for that sometime real soon. Bye friends!